Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Tera Pfarr and I am a chiropractor at Brown Family Chiropractic. Today I'd like to talk to you about ear infections, or otitis media as we like to call it in the medical world. Ear infections is a very common thing that I see a lot in children and occasionally in adults as well. What happens is there's a eustachian tube that drains into the back of our mouths, and in children it's actually parallel to the ground. So that's why we see a lot more ear infections with kids, is because when it's parallel, the drainage doesn't fully happen. But as we age, those eustachian tubes start dipping down, and then we can get more drainage so things don't get backed up. So when there's this buildup of fluid and infections and inflammation in that eustachian tube, it can cause, congestion of fluid and pain and discomfort and fevers and things we commonly see kids complaining about. They tug on their ears, they just don't feel good, right? So generally you can go to the medical field and the medical doctor, a hospital, walk-in clinic, and they'll generally look in your ears and maybe put you on an antibiotic. I see that quite commonly. How we work on ear infections is a little bit different than that type of medicine, and how we work on it is through chiropractic adjustments. So adjusting the upper neck very gently can help open up the eustachian tube, because the nerves that leave the upper neck feed that eustachian tube. And if there's restriction in the muscle at the bottom of the eustachian tube, it can kind of clench down and not let that fluid drain. But when we adjust that area, we allow that nerve to function, we relax that muscle, and then we can allow that drainage of that fluid and that infection down into the throat. So, other ways we can boost the immune system to help support the body as it's fighting. We know fevers happen. Fevers are a natural thing. That's your body's immune system really working hard, trying to burn out all those bad bugs. Other things that we can throw at the ears or the immune system is vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is a very good immune booster, and we know that oranges and citruses have that vitamin C naturally. Sometimes we need to supplement a little bit more during these times of illness to get that immune system ramped up a bit. Vitamin D3 is another good one to boost your immune system. In the winter time, we're getting snow here in Wisconsin. We do not see a lot of the sunlight like we do in the summer. We're not outside playing. So we have a vitamin D deficiency, and we know vitamin D significantly boosts the immune system. So during the winter months, I supplement vitamin D with my kids because they're not out getting it naturally. So that's a great way to be proactive and boost that immune system, or if they're sick, getting that in their bodies to help boost that immune system as well. Probiotics are another great one. We know that 80% of the immune system lies in the digestive tract. If your kid's ever been sick, you've seen them, either end up with diarrhea or just constipation or different issues, because literally that immune system is leaving digestion to go fight whatever it needs to in the body. So by replenishing some probiotics in the body, it can help kind of get that digestive system moving, those toxins out of the body, and help support that immune system through the time of illness. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I look forward to hearing from your comments below.